Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you are back visiting, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am starting a new career and it will be medical coding. So yes, I'm just going to give you guys a backstory before I do the actual unboxing of this package that I received. So I am going to put a timestamp because I know a lot of y'all are like, girl, get to the point. Stop doing all that talking. Stop doing all that rambling. I'm sorry, but I talk a lot, so I apologize in advance. So there's your timestamp. If you're ready to, to get to the unboxing already, that's where you need to start. So anyways, sorry, I talk a lot. A little backstory. So in a couple of videos back, I mentioned that in the year 2020 that I was going to start a new career. And basically I wanted to start a new career because I was pregnant and I did not want to work 12-hour shifts anymore. I did not want to work alternating days and nights, weekends. I just was pretty much over it. And being that I was going to have a newborn baby, I didn't want to go through all of that. I mean, I got a baby now. So basically, after having a discussion with my boyfriend and everything, he was like, just be a stay-at-home mom, which of course I didn't have a problem with. But I just don't want to be a stay-at-home mom not making money. Like, I'm just not that type of girl. And so I started to do research and medical coding popped up. So after further research and checking on how much they make, I decided to take up medical coding. I did sign up with the AAPC program, and about halfway through it, your girl was over it. Like, it was very confusing. So I started to do further research into it, and then I came across Medical Coding Academy. So once I did research on Medical Coding Academy and read the reviews on it, it seemed like, I kid you not, about everybody was stating how they passed the CPC exam, the certification exam, the very first time, with no medical coding background, no type of medical field background. And I'm like, wait, that's me. And not only that, I also saw a couple of reviews that stated that they too had signed up with AAPC and they were struggling too, and they just weren't getting it. Like, AAPC, the program just wasn't explaining it enough to basically, break it down. And so I was like, wait, I wonder if I should sign up. So I still, I did more and more research, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to sign up. So that's exactly what I ended up doing. I ended up signing up for their online program. Originally, I signed up for the 3-day course in Texas, but because of what's going on, obviously, with the coronavirus and how they don't want you to meet, with 10 or more people, I didn't want to put myself at risk. I didn't want to put my baby at risk. And so I switched to the online program, and they sent me this kit. So this is the kit. You get this huge box. You get this huge box, and it is huge. So now I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to show you what's inside. God, it's so big. So you get this huge box. Is this the bag? This is totally the bag. Okay. This is the kit, and it says Medical Coding Academy and Exam Prep. 350 practice coding cases, the mock exam, tabbing system, color coding chart, medical terminology flashcards, medical abbreviation flashcards, medication flashcards, and modifiers flashcards. So you get a lot in this kit, okay? I like the packaging. The packaging is so nice. So I'm just going to open it up. And this is Miss Ortega. She is the creator of Medical Coding Academy, and she has rave reviews on her program. So when you first open it up, what's this over here? Can y'all see? No. But basically it just says, congratulations on making the best investment to excel in your career. Now here it is the, wait a minute. What is this? Okay. I'm like, wait, what is this? These are the flashcards. So you have your modifiers flashcards. Oh, this is it's pretty thick. You have your medications flashcards. If I can get it back in here. You have medical abbreviations. Oh, these are thick. And basically these flashcards, they have a hole at the top to put the rings in, so you know won't lose them. Oh, this is a lot. It's okay. We're gonna study. We're gonna study today. And then at the very top, it has these two bracelets. The yellow one, it just says go-to coders, Medical Coding Academy, and then they have a black one which is really thick. It's basically a USB wristlet, and basically with that, this is where you will find the templates for your resume. I want to say it had about 30 like sample templates to create your resume, and it also had like, you know, your cover letter and all that. So whenever you are, you know, preparing to apply for jobs, they're also going to help you with, you know, setting up your resume, which is pretty dope if you ask me. So yes, they have the different rings for the different cards. So yes, that's nice. Try to hold this up without dropping it. Okay, so here we have basically school supplies that you're gonna need. Ink pens, highlighters, pencils, whiteouts. And it basically, it just talks about different stuff that you'll be doing throughout the online course, as far as highlighting different stuff, and if you have any questions, who to email, and things like that. On here, we have a packet, and it says, upon completion of the entire online program, please complete the following below. And basically, this just talks about different things that you have to highlight, different notes that you have to put inside of your book, and things like that. It's about like 6 pages long, but it's just like a packet that's stapled together of different things that you have to do. Here we have a color coding chart, and throughout this, it basically has different things that you have to highlight, different things that you have to white out, different body parts that they want you to highlight. It's very detailed. Like, it's very detailed. It tells you like which code to do what for and things like that. So yes, this is gonna be a lot of work, but I'm ready. Like, I'm so ready. I am. This is the mock exam. It is sealed. So you're supposed to take the mock exam once you are done, you know, with everything else, of course, and practice. This is the 350 coding cases, and this baby is huge. Step 3, let's practice coding together. I'll explain the answers with the rationale. Oh, this is huge. I don't think I can hold both of them. So this is the 350 cases book. And as you can see, it's very thick. And it has, of course, practice coding cases inside. Oh, look at her. Okay, Alicia. Go ahead, girl. Okay, and my battery would be about to die, so let me try to wrap this up. You also get a $100 voucher to be used towards the purchase of a 3-day course in the city of your choice, which is pretty dope because I do plan on taking my COC after I get my CPC, so I definitely will be utilizing this voucher for $100 off. This is the mock exam Scantron that you use with the mock exam book that I just showed you guys. And I think this is the last thing. Yes, the last thing is the tabbing system. Let me get it out the plastic. And since I had previously signed up for the 3-day course, I have my books already tabbed. So I actually have this already done, and I'm going to show you guys what my books look like since they are already tabbed. And so this is basically what they're very colorful. Oh, there's nothing on the back of it. Different tabs for each book. You do have to tab all 3 of your books, your Hicks Picks, your ICD-10, and your CPT. And now I'm gonna show you guys what my books actually look like. These books are so heavy. The smoothie that I'm drinking is the Hulk, by the way. After I had my baby, your girl was nice and thick, and as soon as I started breastfeeding and pumping, I lost all that weight. So if you get pregnant and you gain a lot of weight, make sure you breastfeed. I'm back down to my high school size, like. So that's the Hulk. I'm trying to get my leg curves back. Trying. So anyways, let me show y'all the books now that they are tabbed. Oh, that glare is killing me. Okay, so this is the Hicks Picks book. It's not really that many tabs. This is the ICD-10. Woo! This is dope. These are the tabs for that, and you also have, you know, numbers going across. Again, it's not really too bad. It's not a lot, but the colorful ones are on the CPT book, and this is how it looks. I can get the cover out the way. So yeah, and that's how that looks. So yeah, that's how they look once they're tabbed. For those of you who are considering medical coding, as we all know, now is definitely a time to be a medical coder. Of course, especially with this virus going around and them obviously in need of medical coders. I mean, they were in need of medical coders before the virus, you know, came about. So yes, this is a very lucrative business. A lot of medical coding jobs offer a lot of benefits as well, as far as, you know, 401k, health insurance, medical vision, you know, life insurance, paid vacation time, paid sick time. And of course, you Google the salary. The salary is very, very nice. And not to mention, you can work from home. Like, this is where it's at, right? Or at least I feel like it is. But yes, so I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me. So I'm just very excited about this new career path that I've chosen. If you guys are thinking about it and you want more information about certain things, I'll be more than happy to answer the question if I can. So yeah, wish me luck. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, y'all, bye.